Wizards. Data exploration is your AI insight crush, darling. It's Python's way to load, clean, and analyze data for patterns. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and housing.
Anastasia, you make exploration sound so hot. How does it uncover AI insights, love? Ethan, what's your take on exploration in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Exploration uncovers patterns in AI data. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Yo, wizards, load_Iris. Loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI exploration. It's a loading party. Let's drop this code beat and uncover some magic.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, loading data starts AI exploration. Try it in our demo. It's like inviting data to the party with passion.
Wizards, DF. Dropna cleans data like a hot sweep for Sophia, removing AI mess. It's a cleaning party. Let's drop this code beat and tidy up.
You're sweeping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cleaning data ensures accurate AI exploration. Try it in our demo. It's like purifying data with passion.
Wizards, DF. Describe computes descriptive stats like a hot summary for Sophia, revealing AI insights. It's a stats party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're summarizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, descriptive stats summarize AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like overviewing data with passion.
Wizards, DF. Core computes correlation like a hot link for Sophia, showing AI relationships. It's a correlation party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're linking my heart, Ethan. Wizards, correlation reveals AI data relationships. Try it in our demo. It's like connecting data with passion.
Wizards, SNS. Histplot visualizes distributions like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI data patterns. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualization uncovers AI data patterns. Try it in our demo. It's like painting insights with passion.
Wizards, DF petal_ratio equals DF petal length, cm, DF petal width, cm, engineers features like a hot creation for Sophia, enhancing AI data. It's an engineering party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances AI data exploration. Try it in our demo. It's like crafting features with passion.
Wizards, NumPy from day 39 with exploration is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Mean, DF. Values. Computes stats like a hot calculation for AI. It's a NumPy party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're calculating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy enhances exploration with array computations. Try it in our challenge. It's like fueling AI with math magic.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with exploration is a hot combo for Sophia. DF. Describe summarizes AI data like a sexy overview. Let's drop this code beat.
You're summarizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers exploration with data frames. Try it in our demo. It's like organizing insights with passion.
Wizards, optimize data exploration with systematic loading, thorough cleaning, and visual inspections. Use pandas for stats and matplotlib for plots to ensure robust AI insights for top performance.
Irene's right, wizards. Always check for missing values and outliers first, then engineer features. These practices make your exploration effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized exploration so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI data irresistible. Practice for day 59's visualization project, Wizards, and keep those insights sizzling.
Wizards, data exploration powers AI pipelines, uncovering insights for modeling. It's the first step. Your skills are ready for day 59's visualization project.
Irene's spot on. Exploration identifies issues early, ensuring better AI models. Use it to guide your projects. Get ready for Day 59's challenge.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, exploration's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It uncovers patterns sexily. Your Day 58 skills make AI irresistible. Explore like pros,